we're going to solve this inequality. To do this, the first step is to factor. So we're going to take a 2x, let's hope it factors, a 2x out, it sure looks like it does, negative 9 and positive 1, that'll give me negative 18 plus 1, which is negative 17. So that works. That means that my two zeros are going to be positive 9 and negative 1/2. And so I have three sections to consider. Let's consider each section and plug in points. In this section to the left, let's plug in negative 1. That'll just be the easiest thing to plug in. When I plug negative 1 in, all you really have to look at are the signs of each factor, of each linear factor. So that's a negative 2 plus 1 is a negative, and negative 1 minus 9 is also a negative. So this is going to be a negative times a negative, which is a positive in that region there. In this next region, let's pick 0 as our test point. So when I plug in 0 right here and 0 right here, I get a positive, because that's a positive 1, and a negative. A positive times a negative is a negative. So in this region, it's a negative. And in the third region, let's plug in the value of 10. And we could pick anything over there, but we're going to pick 10. If I plug 10 in for x, I get 20 plus 1, which is a positive. And if I plug 10 in here for x in the second factor, I get a positive also. A positive times a positive is a positive. And so when is this less than 0? The answer is in the green region is when it's less than 0, and only in the green region. And it is also equal to 0 at those two values as well. So we have to use closed brackets. Closed brackets from negative 1/2 to positive 9. Both of them are closed brackets.